Rahim. Today the topic is terms associated with motion. So let's come to the introduction. In physics, we mostly use the Cartesian coordinates for the description of motion. When we describe motion, we mostly use the Cartesian coordinates in physics, like x-axis and y-axis. For one dimension, we use one axis. If a body moves in one dimension, then we use one axis. For three dimension or for third dimension, we use three axes like x, y, and z. Mostly x, y, and z, like x, y, and z. This is for third dimension. Now come to the distance terms which are associated with motion. These are distance. What is distance? Distance, the definition is the length of path traveled by a body between 2 points. It's called distance. Actually, it is the length between 2 points. One point is that, and second point is that. The length between them, it may be like this one, and also this one. You can go on this path, but the distance between these 2 points, the length between 2 points is called a distance. Okay. Now, length, the distance denoted by s. Denoted by s dx, sometime l, like d, also d del d del x, which is equal to x2 minus x1, etc. What is the unit of distance? Unit of distance is meter, which is denoted by m. Dimension actually it is only one dimension, which is l, length. Okay, like in meter, actually meter is the unit of length, so it is a dimension. Nature, it is scalar quantity because it may be in xyz direction, in any direction. Graphically, we can denote this from this point to, also you can denote this, also you can go on this path, you also can go on this path to point B. This is graphical denotation. Now come to the displacement. What is displacement? The shortest distance between 2 points on specific direction is called displacement. Actually, it is also a distance, but it is on specific direction and shortest distance. Okay, denoted by s with arrow, d with arrow. On distance, it is not arrow, but on s, d, and x, arrow, del x, etc. Arrow, also arrow, etc. Unit, what is the unit of displacement? Meter. Okay, meter, also same meter when we go from one point to another. Length, dimension is also l with the bracket. Now nature, it is vector quantity because it is many direction. Graphically, we also denote graphically as one point is remain. So graphically it is point A and point B. It also a distance. It is distance, but the shortest point and specific direction with the representation with arrow. This is the vector quantity. So it is displacement. Now, what is the difference between distance and displacement? The main topic is that when the distance, the difference between distance and displacement. For a distance, we know that if we move from point A to C and then B, if we move from point A to C and then B, it like that path, and that path. Okay, so this one I pick up here. Travel by it is distance. When a body cover this, travel in this path from A to C and then to B, that is distance. Okay, simply. And if we move for displacement, if we move directly from point A to B, if we move directly from A to B, directly. Okay, if we move from point A to B directly on S arrow, okay, path, it is displacement. So it make a triangle like this one. It make a triangle by Pythagoras theorem. As we know that Pythagoras theorem is this side is equal to this side is equal to hypotenuse whole square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. So by Pythagoras theorem, C is equal to like C square is equal to A square plus B square. Okay, if we remove the like this one, if we finish, so C is equal to A square plus B square under root. We can find the displacement from there startly. Okay, this is the difference between distance and displacement. Thank you so much. Like my video and subscribe. And in another lecture, I will describe the example of the difference between distance and displacement. Thank you so much.